Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Here today to show you the 2019 Harris 250 Crowne. This is a beautiful 25-foot boat with a nice big arch to it. This is their top of the line boat. Lots of different bells and whistles. As you can see, it's got the nice underdeck lighting. It's on red right now. You can definitely change to all different kind of colors. And we got a really cool layout. We'll go on the inside and take a look. So welcome to the interior of the boat. This is our ivory color. This particular boat is our dual lounger, so it has the two lounge seats in the back facing aft. We did upgrade this with the JL audio system, so really nice upgraded system. We've got the dual dashes up in here, all touch screen. The power arch that does come down if you have to get on your bridge or put it in your lift. And then also we have the Mercury 350 on the back here. So beautiful 2019 Harris Crowne. Come on down to MarineMax of Rogers to take a look.